The solution is to immediately replace any hooded bowl with a shallow, open stainless steel dish. Stainless steel is non-porous and incredibly easy to clean and sterilize. Keep the dish no deeper than 1.5 inches to prevent accidental drowning. Another option is a silo waterer with a float ball, which keeps water cleaner longer but still requires daily scrubbing. For placement, put the water dish at your cockatiel's chest height. This allows the bird to drink looking straight ahead, rather than craning its neck up, which can cause water to get into their nostrils and lead to respiratory irritation. And here's the rule for hygiene. Scrub the dish with hot water and dish soap every single night. A simple rinse isn't enough to remove the invisible, dangerous